educate the heart.
Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna make barbecue chicken. Just the easiest recipe you can ever get. So what I do is wash the chicken in vinegar and salt, soak it for 20 minutes, wash it nicely and dry it, and then you put a little bit of oil, just maybe a few drops of oil. Just spread the oil all over. Then I'm gonna put some salt and pepper. So put some salt. And pepper. Meanwhile, heat the oven for 350 degrees. And I'm gonna put it in the oven for 15 minutes. After that, I'll do the barbecue sauce. I'll teach you how it is. Very simple. Put it in the oven. And now for this barbecue sauce, you need maybe, I have two types of barbecue sauce. It doesn't matter, one or two. So I put each 2 tablespoons of each, and 1 tablespoon of Frank's red hot sauce, original, and then I have 1 teaspoon of garlic crushed. So let me put the 1 teaspoon of garlic. And now 2 tablespoons of this barbecue sauce. 1, 2, and 2 tablespoons of this barbecue sauce. You can have 1 barbecue sauce, because I have 2, I'm putting it. 1, 2. And then 1 tablespoon of this hot sauce. Now mix all this, and after 15 minutes I'll put the sauce on the chicken. Every 10 minutes I baste with this sauce. The timer is up. It's 15 minutes, so now it's time to baste. Every 15 minutes we'll put the sauce on it. So put some sauce and start putting it, spreading it, the brush. May have to make more sauce because this only came once, so I'll make 1 more batch of sauce. Now we need to put this back in the oven at 350, of course, it's still there on for another 15 minutes, and come back to it after 15 minutes. See you then. So 15 minutes is up, so we're gonna put more barbecue sauce. Put a little bit more barbecue sauce. And spread it with a brush. It's very important that you keep the heat only 350 in the oven, because otherwise the barbecue sauce will start burning. So that's why I put the low heat. And it is so good when you do it low heat, because it just goes in the chicken. So I'm gonna put it back 15 minutes. I'll see you again. The timer is up, so 15 minutes is up, so I'm gonna put more barbecue sauce. This time I'm gonna baste the chicken with the oil, the sauce which has come out. Just like this. Take some, put it on top. That's it. Wet everything. This will make the chicken soft inside. Whenever you baste meat, chicken or turkey, it's always delicious because it doesn't dry inside. Okay, now more barbecue sauce. Now spread it nicely. Now I'm going to put it back in the oven and see you in 15 minutes. "15 minutes is up, so let's put more sauce. almost cooked now. Put the remaining sauce. Put this back in the oven for another 15 minutes, and I'll come back in 15 minutes and let you know how it comes out. So after 15 minutes, this is how it looks. For 15 minutes, this is how it looks. Thank you for coming to my channel. Like it, subscribe the channel, try this, and let me know in the comment section. Bye.